Westermans here with a quick walkthrough. Orbital and Pro Arc machines, spot welders, welding lathe. See what other machines of interest we can find down here. Thrown these in for repair. We have a range of fume extraction units from Kemper, Needleman, Plymouth, plus other brands. A few machine tools, turning rolls, saws, CNC plasma machines from Lincoln, Swift, Pro Arc. Few seam welders, used seam welders, both new and used. Bode, Pro Arc, Jetline and others. All machines arrive here and are just put down and are waiting for new customers and orders. Selection of preheat equipment and power sources from many manufacturers like Hypertherm, Miller, Lincoln, ESAB, Kempe, Thermodynamics, plus many more. Again, more Hypertherms, Lincoln, welding positioners, both new and used. Fronius cladding systems down there, 2 compact cladding systems. Welding rotators. Fume extraction. Selection of, well, there's a diesel welder there as well, Lincoln Vantage 500. Selection of Lorch MIGs arrived. Also Biller MIGs, water cooled. ESAB MIG and TIG. Cito Arcs, Millers, compact MIGs, 273s, 333s, Lorch, nice Miller Dynasty there, 350. Again, Lorch compact MIGs, column and booms with twin wire, a smaller column boom there with NA5 sub-arc head. We have over this side again diesel welders, diesel generators, 3-axis welding positioners, fume extraction from Plymouth, also with a extraction unit itself. Again, more welding positioners. Let's have a look on this side. We have again sub-arc power sources, DC 600s. All machines awaiting service or refurbishment. A range of spot welders, both new and used. As you can see, a good variation of stock for welding, cutting. Also many machines still on site waiting to arrive. That was purchased before Christmas. Now things are starting to get back to normal. The stock will start arriving. More details available from westermans.com. Thank you for looking.